Dear students, now I will continue with the same question. As in the previous transaction, I share with you received from Manmohan in full settlement of his account 78,200. Actually, we have to net receive rupees 79 from him. Goods sold of 80,000, returned by him 1,000. But account being fully settled that nothing is outstanding by payment received of 78,200. So rupees 800 will be treated as a discount and as a loss that will be debited to the nominal account page. Next transaction, received cash from Ram 19,500, discount allowed 500. Actually, what we have to receive from Ram, we have to receive from Ram net of rupees 20,000. But he had paid us only 19,500 and we had given him a discount of 500. Again, the account which are involved here, one cash, other is of Ram and other is of discount. All the three accounts are of the three different natures. Cash is of real, Ram is of personal, and discount is of nominal. So automatically we will apply the rule of these three accounts. Real account rule, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So as we had received, we will debit cash with 19,500. Ram is a personal account, credit the giver, so we will give the credit to Ram here of the total amount of 20,000 as business has to receive from him rupees 20,000. Then discount allowed is a loss of the business as a nominal account. Nominal account rules say debit all expenses and losses. So discount is our loss or expense. So we will debit it here as rupees 500. So the entry will be here. Cash account debit with 19,500. Discount account debit with rupees 500. And Ram account will be credited with rupees 20,000. Next transaction is paid cash to Pawan and discount received from him 4,700. So how much amount we had paid to the Pawan? Rupees 4,700. So here Pawan is a personal account, cash is a real account and discount is a nominal account. Same way here, rule say paid cash to Pawan. Pawan is personal account, debit the receiver. We had debited to the Pawan 5,000. Why we had debited to the Pawan with 5,000? I will explain you. Actually, how much cash we had paid? 4,700. So cash account will be credited with 4,700. Discount received is our income as a nominal account. At discount allowed is our expense. Discount received is our income. So we had credited discount received as our income of rupees 300. So how much we had to pay to the Pawan was total rupees 5,000. As here the transaction was not given, but we can assume that we had to pay rupees 5,000 to Pawan. So we had debited to Pawan with rupees 5,000. Actual cash which is paid, we have been credited 4,700. Then discount received is our income. So rupees 300 being credited here. Next transaction is sold goods to Varun of the list price of rupees 25,000 at 20% trade discount. Dear students, understand, trade discount is not shown in the books of account and the entry will be recorded with the net amount. I repeat here that cash discount will be shown in the books of account as earlier we had did in the previous transaction. That discount received is our income, so we had credited. Discount allowed is our expense, we had debited. But here note down that trade discount is given. Trade discount will not be shown in the books of account and the entry will be recorded with the net amount. So here sold goods to Varun, list price was of rupees 25,000, but business has given him a trade discount of 20%. So we will calculate 20% of 25,000, that is rupees 5,000. So the net amount of the goods sold to Varun was of rupees 20,000. How 20,000? Again, the list price is 25,000. We will calculate 20% discount given to him, that comes out rupees 5,000. So the net sales amount is of rupees 20,000. 25,000 minus 5,000. So Varun is a personal account and it is a credit transaction. So the journal entry will be Varun's account debit with rupees 20,000 to sales account with rupees 20,000. Varun is a personal account, debit the receiver, we had debited here. Sales of goods, goods is a real account as inventory or asset account. So credit what goes out, that we had credited to the sales account. But important thing, with the net amount, that trade discount will not be shown anywhere in the books of account. So this entry will be recorded with net amount of 20,000. And at the end of the total question, when we had recorded all the journal entries, we will have a total of debit column as well as the credit column. So this way, dear students, you have learned how we will make and record journal entries along with the narration or the explanation or along with the narrative, which is a brief description of the journal entry which we have been recorded. So here see the net amount of the sales being given here, that is total 25, trade discount less 20, net amount is this. So this way we had recorded the transactions in the books of account relating to the journal entries. I would continue in our next class with the same topic of journal entries, where we will discuss your doubts, problems, and also some specific transactions relating to the journal entries. There may be some special transactions, there may be relating to the opening entry, compound entry, and all other necessary details relating to the journal entries to be discussed with you. Thank you very much for joining the class. Have a wonderful day.